Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Clapper app poor connection error. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're getting issues with Clapper here and you're getting that poor connection error here, what you need to do is you need to do a few things. So first things first is you want to check your interconnection. Now sometimes if you're getting this error, typically speaking, this is because your interconnection is too slow. So what you need to do is you want to run a speed test. So you can open up your browser here, just type in speed test and see if your internet speed is pretty good. Now, if your interconnection is a problem, so in this case, what I recommend you try doing here is maybe switch to a different network. So if you have a different Wi-Fi connection that you can access, you can go ahead and switch over to that, or you can even try switching to your mobile data, so and see if that solves the issue. Again, usually this error here or pop issue here usually means that you have poor interconnection. So switching to a different network can solve this issue. But just in case if that doesn't work, what you need to do is you want to go to Clapper here, press and hold on it, and click on the eye icon or information icon. Now want to go ahead and click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen and click on clear cache and click on OK. Now what we just did here is we just cleared the temporary files that the Clapper app has, and typically speaking that should solve your issue. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.